The CrestWave RV Water Pump is a versatile system that efficiently combines a powerful pump and an accumulator tank to deliver consistent and high-pressure water flow. With its 5-chamber diaphragm pump, the system ensures a smooth water supply with a flow rate of up to 7 gallons per minute and an auto shut-off pressure of 70 pounds per square inch. This system is designed to operate quietly thanks to its anti-vibration features and shockproof iron plate, maintaining noise levels at or below 45 decibels. The CrestWave system is built for durability in rugged conditions, utilizing a thicker copper motor and dual ball bearings, and is waterproof rated at IP68. It offers advanced protection features including run-dry protection and thermal overload prevention, enhancing the safety and longevity of the system. Installation is straightforward due to its multiple fitting options and flexible mounting, making it suitable for a variety of domestic water systems.